Oh my god, guys, I cannot believe of all people, you know what, Mihlali Utrapile Musa Khawula, like, I cannot believe this either. So Musa Khawula is saying that I will do it again, Kesana, and I wish I took all your fucking eye out. Like, I mean, he also backed up with the caption saying, Batong, look at Mihlali Ndamase at the 2023 Durban July, acting as if she did not beat me up at Leroy's office the day before yesterday. So, Musa Khawula, what were you doing at Leroy's office for Mihlali to beat you up like this? Hi, and then Musa Khawula also said that Kuni ningiti yo. If you can remember, Umoshendiki once beat up Musa Khawula, and then that's when he trended, you know. And then today it is Mihlali. I don't believe this because you know what, Mihlali is a baby girl, guys. Like, Mihlali is a baby girl, Mzansi. For her to get her hands dirty and Musa Khawula, he might be gay, but he's still a guy. I don't know, Mzansi. I don't know.